Okay, unboxing ng Westinghouse Cool Mist Ultrasonic Color Changing Humidifier. Wow.
Yan.
Yo.
Unboxing!
User manual. 1 year limited warranty. Ayun siya. Maliit lamang.
Iyan na, pareho. Yung kay Miggy. Ayos. Oh, yun na.
Alkansya.
Yan. Ang cute. So liit.
Yan natin to. Ayun.
Check. How does it work? Cool Mist Ultrasonic Color Changing Humidifier. Pareho nung kay Miguel dun sa ano.
Oo.
Maliit na version lang.
Ayun, pareho.
Ayos.
Ganito siya. Yung
Ang liit.
ito yung
Yes.
the mist level is easily adjusted with just one knob. As lalagay yung aromatherapy tray
Where?
sponge. Saan siya?
Yun.
Yung
Ano nilagay?
dyan.
Ah,
You have to-
okay. The-drop lang kagaya din doon sa isa.
It drops.
Ang liit. Nice. Yes.
Yes. You want to try?
Yes. Go. We'll put water first. Okay. Yan ang
Open
water
this
level.
cup and we'll put
Water level where?
Hmm?
Saan ang water level?
Water no warmer than room temperature. The tank takes approximately 2 liters of water. Do not fill with water all the way up to the rim of the water tank. We recommend you use distilled water to prevent the buildup of scale that will occur if tap water is
Di
used.
pwede yung ano?
Yeah, we will use
filtered
our
na.
filtered water.
Okay.
Yun dito lang.
Yes, okay.
Don't open.
Yan our filtered water. Filtered water. Yan, almost filled na our water.
Okay, I think that's enough.
And with our aromatherapy, eucalyptus and peppermint. Okay, we'll put here.
Oil diffuser. Always make sure the humidifier is turned off before adding the aromatherapy or essential oil.
Let's go.
Leave the water tank off the base and add aromatherapy or essential oil until the sponge is soaked.
Okay,
If
we'll
some
put it
oil
here.
spills outside the aromatherapy oil tray, wipe it up before proceeding.
Okay, and drop mo na.
Note, we recommend using aromatherapy or essential oil with antibacterial and antifungal properties.
Wow, social.
Put the water back into place. Turn on.
Okay, lagyan na natin ito. Let's go. Let's drop. No, dami. Wipe it up daw yung spill. Yeah, wipe na lang yung magpas and let's go. Check natin kung mabango nga. Let's go. Okay, plug it on. Plug. Yun, let's go, try. So, yes, switch on.
Ito.
Yo. Mayroon ba? Nabukas ba? Yun, yung miss. Okay.
And the LED light.
Go. Oh, yun o. Kita mo na. Let's go. Ayun. Oh, changing color niya.
So quiet.
Oo, yun ang lakas ng miss. Todo yung miss at least. Okay. Yan. Yun, nice. Uy. Bago kaming humidifier. Nice one, guys. Yan na siya. Yan. May miss pa with colors. Yun o.
White. Westinghouse.
Yan na, nice. Thank you, bango. Yes.